Adobe After Effects transitions. In this video, we're going to be talking about Adobe After Effects and how you can go ahead and create some good looking transitions in it. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to click over to New Composition and create a project for you. Now, once this project is done, what we're going to do from here is, let's say we have some type of image that I'm going to import into this. So let's go over to our File Explorer. I'm going to go ahead and add a few images in this that I'm going to want to transition from. All right. Now, once I find a proper image, let's go ahead and give it something different. So first of all, we're going to add this over here. So we have this. You can go ahead and add it into your design if you want to. Obviously, if it only adds the MP3, don't worry about that. You can go ahead and change that by simply adding some different type of design into your whole. So let's say we have this image over here that I'm going to go ahead and expand a bit. Now, once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and delete the other timelines that we have. And now to give it some cool transitions, first of all, you can go over to things like animate, right? So I'm going to choose this image and go over to animate and add any animation preset over it, or let's say I'm going to add this rainfall effect over it, which is pretty cool. But to obviously create a good looking transition, I'm going to go ahead and expand the image size. There we go. And once that is done, let's go ahead and give it a good rainfall look. Now that's pretty cool. Now you can go ahead and actually keyframe your raindrops if you want to. But obviously to give it a seamlessly looking transition, let's say I'm going to keyframe all the positions and scales, and let's give the rotation a keyframe as well. Now once you have done that, make smaller and right about at 10 seconds, it's going to scale out. Okay, let's give it good scale. There we go. And then you can add some rotation into it as well to, make it make sure that it comes in. So once we have done this, what's going to happen from there is you can also mess around with the positions if you want to. I'm going to keep them the same, and you can see just like this when we play the video, it's going to spin itself in, rotate it in, and zoom into the alternative design. And once that is in, as you can see, that is how your transitions work. And obviously there's different transitions to work around with. You can scale them in, you can bring it from left to right using the position keyframe and a whole lot more. And you can also use the effects that you have to make them into even something better. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add the page. All right. So as you can see, here's the space turn effect. You can change how much you want the transition to look. So let's say I'm going to add a keyframe right about unfold position, and then let's move it over. Keep it normal. Here's the keyframe for normal. And once we're over here, let's go ahead and remove that out. So let's see how it looks. And look at that. Just like that, you can remove a whole page using transitions. So just use your effects, use it to work around your design, and that is basically how you're going to be adding transitions in Adobe After Effects in the easiest and most simplest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.